Hello guys, welcome to the Microsoft Excel training session. Myself Omkar Desai. I'm currently working in one of the IT firms. So I'm going to teach you the basics of Microsoft Excel, uh, some functions of it which we use it on in a regular basis. It's about charts, pivot tables. So it's about all day-to-day applications which we use with Excel. Uh, Post that, we'll start with some advanced functions of Excel, and eventually we'll end up with Excel macros. So let's get started. So for the first topic today, we have it as Introduction to Excel. So some of you might have known different formats of Excel sheet. So some I have listed here. We have many. So the first is we have .xls. So this is for if you have a Microsoft Office 10 version, Microsoft Office 2010. If you create a new sheet with MS10, that sheet will be saved with an extension of .xls. Next is .xlsx. This is for MS Office 16. So if you have a Microsoft Office version 2016, which is the latest in market as of now. So if you create a new Excel workbook with MS16 and save it, that Excel workbook will be saved as .xls. Then we have XLSX. So this particular sheet format is for macro enabled worksheet. So we'll come back to this in the later parts of the this series. Next, we have it as .xlsd. So this is binary enabled Excel workbook. So we use it for some of the confidential data. With this, we can protect the Excel sheet with this particular format. Next, we have it as .csv. So .csv means comma separated, or we can call it as comma delimited data in Excel format. So why do we use it? Where do we use it? This .csv is where we are from extracting some data from database, or if we are extracting some data from some of the web application. So the CSV is used for such things. So we'll get in details of these in the later sections. So without wasting time, let's just navigate to the Excel sheet. I've created a new Excel sheet. So as you can see, so I have created a sheet. Here you can see we have different sheets. So what we call it as this Excel sheet, we call it as a Excel workbook, and these are the Excel worksheets. So workbook and worksheets. So we have different options here. So we'll go through each of the options here. So each of the tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, and some other functions as well. We'll see what each and every function in these tab does. Uh, in this file tab, we have few things like new, open existing workbook, then to save as, print the entire workbook, and to share this workbook with multiple people while working with it. So this share option is one of the important feature of Excel, Microsoft Excel. This enables this worksheet to uh, be worked on with multiple people simultaneously. So okay, so this is all for this particular video. We'll meet for the next video or next topic as home tab option in Excel. Thank you.